7 Vital C's of Effective Business Communication. The corporate world has its own infrastructure, ethics, language, and way of doing things. Thus, every person should be well acquainted with all the core principles of the sphere before entering it, for a successful start in a perfect journey. Communication plays a vital role in the corporate world as it is something that can either seal the deal or cancel it. Effective communication allows you to put your message, thoughts, and ideas across in the right way, such that it garners attention. In order to deliver effective communication, there are 7 vital concepts. These include 1. Correctness. Correctness refers to supplying the right facts, using the right level of language, and conveying the right message to the audience, reader. It refers to avoiding grammatical errors both in written and verbal communication, as incorrect grammar can totally alter the meaning of the sentence and entail a negative impression. 2. Clarity. Clarity entails on using such language that the decoder can easily grasp the real meaning of the sentence. The encoder needs to emphasize on a particular message at a point of time. If there is clarity in thoughts and ideas, then that allows the meaning of the sentence to be conveyed easily. 3. Completeness. If the encoder wants to get the kind of response that she is expecting, then the encoder should always supply all the necessary details. The sender must consider the state of mind of the receiver and answer all the queries raised by supporting the responses with facts and figures. 4. Conciseness. In the corporate world, nobody has time for wordy communication. So, it is better to be concise in communication and save yours and well as others' time. You can achieve conciseness by avoiding repetition of thoughts and verbose expressions. Rather, you should use brief sentences that are to the point but complete the communication. 5. Consideration. This is the most important component of effective communication that implies on thinking from the receiver's perspective. The encoder should consider the view, background, education level, mindset, desires, and the problems of the audience while composing a message. You need to alter your message to meet the reader's needs. 6. Concreteness. Concreteness in message refers to being definitive and clear rather than being general, fuzzy, and vague. The encoder should present correct and specific facts in front of the decoder for effective communication. 7. Courtesy. Courtesy is the core component of every effective communication. The start and end of a communication should be with courtesy. It refers to valuing the feelings of the receiver as that builds goodwill. The encoder should use polite words and show respect to the decoder for effective communication. So, these were the 7 C's of effective business communication. Since the task of a manager or an entrepreneur requires constant networking and communications with the subordinates, superiors, and the clients, so communication plays an important part in their professional journey.